Hello kids! I hope you all are having a lot of fun. Where English class is, learning is fun. Good children. In our previous classes, we have learned about letter A and letter E. Right? The vowel A and E. And also reading different words with them and sentences. Today, let us read more sentences by looking at the picture. Look and read. That is reading practice. Now children, in this picture you can see there is a boy, a lad, and I want to tell you this boy has a name too. His name is Ben. Now, what else you can see in this picture? In this picture, we can see a hen, a box, and eggs. And egg. And egg. All right. Along with egg, we can see a nest also. Yes? Come on, let's read this. Ben has a hen. Ben has a hen. Ben, L-O-V-E-S, loves. Ben loves his pet. P-E-T, pet. The hen is red. Let's come to the next line. I and T together forms it. Now let's read this A sound word. L says L, A, Y. So, lays. This word is lays. It lays an egg in the nest. It lays an egg in the nest. Ben sells. Ben sells it. F-O-R makes for. Yen. What is yen, children? Yen is a currency of a country. As we all have money here, rupee here, similarly, other country has a yen currency. Ben sells it for a yen. Very good, children. Let's read the next picture. First, look at the picture. Now, in this picture, you can see a Ben. Ben has pen. उसके हाथ में pens हैं, right? And these pens are of red color. Now he has raised both the fingers, both arms. That means he must be having 10 pens. Okay, let's read them. H-E says he. He is Ben. Ben has 10 pens. Ben has 10 pens. The pens are red. The pens are red. Ben has 5 pens. Ben has 5 red pens. Ben has 5 red pens in both hands. In both hands. He is Ben. Ben has 10 pens. The pens are red. Ben has 5 red pens in both hands. Well tried, children. Very good. Now, on the basis of these two stories, these two pictures, you will answer the worksheet 2. All right, so read them more carefully. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye and see you in the next class.